Hello students, today we are going to see acid, base and salt from 10th standard CBSE book. Let's see what is the first question. It's a basic definition. You need to know what an acid and a base. By definition, acid is a substances which is formed due to the formation of H plus ion, and if base is the one which gives OH minus ion. Let us take a acid HCl. It gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Base is a one which is NaOH, gives Na plus and OH minus ion. We all know that lemon, tamarind, tomato, these contain some kind of acid. That is the reason when we put it in our mouth, we get a sour taste. Whereas the soap solution, soap, detergent, baking soda, these are bitter in taste. We use it in various purposes like washing the clothes. We use washing powder. Then for baking the cake, we use baking soda. They have many different uses. In order to uh, come to a conclusion whether it is an acid and base, you have to perform a litmus paper test, because you cannot taste or smell. By smell or taste, you don't need to say whether it is an acid or base. You need to have, every time you cannot do that as well. So this time you're going to take a blue litmus paper and you're going to put it in the solution of an acid, where you can see the blue litmus is changing to red. The blue litmus changes to red in color. This is acid. Whereas in the base, you are taking a red litmus paper and you're putting in a solution of base, it becomes blue in color. Now we'll move on to the next question. What is an indicator for acid and bases? You take any of the acids and bases. Question can be anything. What happens when HNO3? The question can be very narrow, or in general, what happens if an acid is taken and a blue litmus paper is put inside it. When you take a blue litmus paper, its color turns to red. Blue turns to red, whereas you put a red litmus paper in a solution of base, it becomes blue in color. That is the confirmation test for acids using litmus paper. There are other indicators also. Basically, an indicator is a substance which indicates the presence. For example, you're wearing a shirt, white shirt, and you get a little stain of turmeric, and you put this stained cloth in a bucket of detergent. You immediately will see that it shows a red color. This is an indication. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Similarly, there are other indicators: phenolphthalein, methyl orange. If you take a solution of acid and put a drop of phenolphthalein solution, it is colorless. You don't see any color. Whereas you put methyl orange, a drop of methyl orange, it turns to orange in color. This says it is presence of acid. Whereas if you take a phenolphthalein and put a drop of phenolphthalein in base, it becomes pink color. And if you put a drop of methyl orange in base, it becomes yellow in color. You have to remember all these color changes, then only you can see, you can know, you can very well by seeing it, you can say whether it is an acid or base.